Welcome to Medical Korea Academy e-class. My lecture title is a general strategy for gastric cancer surgery beyond MIS. I will talk about Gastric Cancer Center at the Seoul National University Hospital as a high volume center and the surgical principles, minimal access surgery, visual augmentation, and the sharing experience. Gastric cancer incidence in Korea is the highest in the world. That's why many Korean gastric centers perform a large number of cases per year. Among them, 77% are minimal access. Proportion of early cancer among operations is almost 70%. Along the common hepatic artery, it has not been easy